Hi guys, welcome to Hyprland. It's gonna be the Hyprland for beginning of December, and I've given up on these tools and I'm relying on OBS Studio to record everything. That's much better. Now, topic of the video is Octopi, right? Octopi is now in our systems because of issues caused by renaming of an ArcoLinux packages, which Panic or Manjaro, right, needed to change the patch. I needed to create a patch version for it. It's now working again. Well, you'll see that it's in your system if you install the ISOs from beginning of December. Now, this is Wayland, right? Wayland is always a little bit different, and at some point in time I just got discouraged and I said, okay, let's stick with Sway and Hyprland and forget about Sway, Fire, and all the others, and let it become more mature for the, let's say, the niche tiling windows. Now, what we've done on ArcoLinux is add a package, and the package that is on your system, and if it's not, right, go grab it. ArcoLinux Wayland app hooks. You see there are already packages for it, but I just stopped caring. ArcoLinux Wayland app hooks Git. If you install that, it's basically a way to figure out how to make application X work again under Wayland, and telling it basically to forget about Wayland and use X11. That's basically the summary, right? I am totally wrong. I need to go to the Pacman, so Pacman D hooks. That's where something happens. If I install it, it will get added, and no, it was already there, right? So Wayland apps hook is just a file, and in the file it says if you try to install, upgrade this package, that package, this package, or that package, go here. So that's a workaround to ensure that some of these things actually work. Now, this is my workaround. If you know anything better, please share. So user local bin, and then we have in here a script that basically says do something about it. I make some checks. If we are indeed on Hyprland, then it says, hey, we're on Hyprland. And for the moment, the Flameshot Git that is provided works. So the code is basically out, and what I could do is just not show these guys, so you never mind, right? Whatever. But we are changing Octopi. And what we've changed is the executable inside the desktop file. So there are 3 desktops in user share applications, 3 applications that launch a certain, line, code, name, application, but we add something in front of it. We say, forget about Wayland, don't run it because it won't work, and use X11. So with this script in place, I'm not going to save this one, right? With this script in place, and of course, if you just installed this particular application, you need to run and install Octopi, because when I install it, the hook says, if this thing gets installed, do this, right? Run Hyprland, submit packages to change automatically, so please provide information. If you say, I want to have that particular application, and I know how to change it, well, and we run it. We're not changing Flameshot by way of test, so I'm gonna get rid of that code there. But we are changing of Octopi. We're going to do that. So basically, as a result, a long story short, right? As a result, user share in applications. There are a few files here. Let's kill you. Let's go to Octopi. I always have to look for it. There they are. Sublime text. We've changed this. And because of that, I can actually say super D and then Octopi and launch it. So that's how we are creating some workaround to actually have it available on our particular ArcoLinux distro, of course, because Arch will not have this. So again, if there are tips, because Wayland, if there are tips regarding the comfort and the ease and the efficiency to get things working on Wayland, please tell me. So that's it for now. Yeah, let's stop here and show you that Octopi actually works. Another thing you can do is say, let's launch the Octopi notifier, little green thing, and it's up here, and you can click here. I haven't figured out, and that's maybe something to discover for somebody else. That is, if you actually want to launch this via the startup, then it doesn't work. So this is the correct line. You need to have user bin, but I don't know why. But if we launch this, the applet, nm applet is there. This is OBS Studio, that's variety. But this guy does not get launched for whatever reason, because all the others will launch if you do it like this. It needs the user bin, that's clear, it says so. But if somebody knows how to fix that, or why it's not doing that, probably again a Wayland thing, right? Enjoy Octopi, enjoy Hyprland, and cheers.